How do guava leaves help in reducing menstrual cramps? The natural remedy. Every woman should know. Menstrual cramps are one of those monthly struggles that many women quietly endure. While some cramps feel like mild discomfort, others can be intense enough to interrupt work, sleep, and everyday life. That's why natural remedies are gaining popularity. People want relief without heavy medication or harsh side effects. One surprising solution making waves in the wellness world is guava leaves. Yes, the same leaves from the guava fruit tree many of us grew up eating from have remarkable medicinal properties. But how do guava leaves actually help reduce menstrual cramps? Let's dive into the science, the tradition, and how to use guava leaves correctly for real relief. 1. Guava leaves, a hidden natural pain relief. Powerhouse guava leaves have been used for centuries in Caribbean, African, and Asian traditional medicine. While the guava fruit is loved for its vitamin C, fiber, and sweetness, the leaves carry an entirely different set of benefits. Inside these humble green leaves are natural compounds such as flavonoids, polyphenols, tannins, antispasmodic agents. These compounds make guava leaves a powerful natural remedy, especially for menstrual pain. 1. The real secret: antispasmodic properties. Menstrual cramps happen because the uterus contracts to shed its lining. When the contractions are too strong, blood flow is restricted and pain follows. That's where guava leaves come in. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that guava leaf extract has strong antispasmodic effects, meaning it helps relax smooth muscles in the uterus. What this means for cramps: the uterus contracts less intensely, blood flow improves, pain signals decrease, cramps become milder and easier to manage. This action is similar to how some over-the-counter pain relievers work, but guava leaves do it naturally. 1. Reduces prostaglandins, the pain chemicals. During your period, your body produces chemicals called prostaglandins. These are responsible for triggering uterine contractions, higher levels, stronger cramps. Studies show guava leaves help decrease prostaglandin production, which calms down the entire cramping process. Benefits of lowered prostaglandins: less inflammation, fewer sharp cramps, less lower back pressure, fewer headaches and fatigue related to your cycle, a generally smoother and more bearable period. For anyone who battles heavy cramps monthly, this is a game changer. 1. Guava leaves help reduce inflammation. Inflammation plays a major role in menstrual discomfort. Guava leaves are naturally rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, which help soothe the pelvic area and reduce swelling. You may notice benefits such as reduced bloating, less abdominal tightness, decreased heavy feeling in the stomach, relief from radiating pain in the thighs and lower back. Many women say the anti-inflammatory effect alone gives them noticeable relief within a few days of use. 1. High in antioxidants to support hormonal balance. Hormones fluctuate throughout the menstrual cycle, and when they drop, symptoms like pain, mood swings, and fatigue can become more intense. Guava leaves contain antioxidants like quercetin and catechins, which help support hormonal balance and protect cells from stress. A balanced hormonal system means smoother cycles, less emotional stress, reduced severity of PMS, lower chances of chronic pelvic pain. This is why guava leaf tea is recommended not just during your period, but also before and after to maintain hormonal health. 1. Helps improve digestion, which affects cramps more than you think. A little-known fact is that digestive issues worsen menstrual cramps. Constipation, gas, or slow digestion can push against the uterus and intensify pain. Guava leaves help reduce bloating, improve bowel movement, calm stomach spasms, support healthy gut bacteria. 1. Rich in iron to help. During heavy periods, women who experience heavy flow often feel tired, weak, or dizzy due to temporary drops in iron. While guava leaves don't replace iron supplements, they do contain natural trace minerals, including iron, that help support healthy blood levels. This can reduce fatigue, lightheadedness, weakness, shortness of breath. How to use guava leaves for menstrual cramp relief. There are 3 simple, effective ways to use guava leaves. You don't need fancy tools, just the leaves and hot water. 1. Guava leaf tea, most popular method. Ingredients: 5 to 10 fresh guava leaves, 3 cups of water. Steps: wash the leaves thoroughly. Boil water and add the leaves. Let it simmer for 10-15 minutes. Strain and drink warm. Drink this 1-2 times a day, starting 2 days before your period for best results. 1. Dried guava leaf powder, fast and convenient. If you can't find fresh leaves, add 1 teaspoon of guava leaf powder to hot water. Stir well and drink once daily. This version works just as well because it keeps the potent plant compounds. 1. Guava leaf extract capsules. These are great for women who travel often, don't like tea, want stronger, consistent doses. Follow the recommended dosage on the label or speak with a natural health provider. Are guava leaves safe? Yes, guava leaves are considered very safe for most people. However, avoid during pregnancy unless your doctor approves. Stop use 2 weeks before surgery, just like herbal teas. If you have a chronic medical condition, check with a doctor. Most people experience no side effects at all. Final thoughts. Why more women are turning to guava leaves? Guava leaves are one of nature's best-kept secrets. They're affordable, easy to use, and, best of all, proven to help reduce menstrual cramps without relying on heavy medication. To summarize, guava leaves help menstrual cramps because they relax the uterus, reduce prostaglandins, decrease inflammation, improve digestion, support hormonal balance, reduce bloating, ease lower back and abdominal pain. If you're someone who deals with tough period days, guava leaf tea may be the natural relief you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to get more educational videos like this.